How to block someone on Rednote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on the Rednote app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Rednote app on your mobile and make sure that you are logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, find the person that you want to block. You can do this by going to your message or searching for that person profile. And once you have located that person profile, in their profile simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner. And from the menu that pops up, you can see the option labeled block. Simply tap on that and a confirmation message will pop up. From that message, you simply have to tap on block. And once you have done that, they won't be able to contact you or view your profile anymore. And that's how you can block someone on Rednote app. With this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.